Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. Today I have a big announcement for you guys regarding our 2021 Christmas Snow Villages. But before I do that, I have another quick announcement. I have tried to make my channel a little bit more user-friendly for you guys. So what I have done is separated out some of my playlists. I originally only had 3 playlists on my channel. Now I have 5. So I've mainly separated out the Christmas Village builds as well as the Christmas Village videos into their own playlists and separated it out from the other Christmas decor and Christmas DIY stuff that I have. I also have recently started a new series called Growing with God. I do it from my garden, and that has its own playlist now as well. So there are 5 different playlists that you guys can check out that will hopefully help you find videos that you're looking for a little bit easier on my channel. So now that that is taken care of, on to my Christmas Village announcement. I love to celebrate Christmas in July, and now that I have all of you Christmas enthusiasts to share my love of Christmas with, I thought what a better way than to offer up myself to help you all out with your Christmas villages this Christmas season. So in July, I wanted to choose 2 weekends out of July just for a couple of hours, like maybe on a Saturday, and do a live stream to answer any questions that you guys may have regarding Christmas Village buildings, layouts, designs. If you had any questions regarding a Christmas Village build that you wanted to attempt this year, answering questions on products and just all different types of things and building techniques, all of those things that we put into when we are creating our Christmas villages, I wanted to be able to offer myself up live and answer your questions live to help you prepare for this Christmas season. Also, it'll be another great way for us to communicate with each other directly as a community, because then we can answer each other's questions live, and maybe something that I don't know, someone else might know who's on the live stream. So I thought that that would be an awesome way for us to celebrate Christmas in July and also help us plan a little bit further in ahead to prepare for this Christmas season for 2021. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, please leave me a comment in this video and say, yes, I'm in, I'll attend, I will be there. Because if I get enough of a response, I'll go ahead and do it. And if I do, I will just release another video with the days and the time that I will be hopping on the live stream for you guys so that you have all the information that you need for that. A few other announcements before I let you guys go. I do have several videos coming up in the recent future. I have been very busy with different projects recently, so I have a few different furniture rehab videos coming your way. I have a few patio makeovers coming your way, as well as a wall art DIY project that my husband and I did together. So I'm hoping to have all of those videos released within the next 4 to 5 weeks. So please click on that notification bell so that you guys don't miss that. Please, 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 I am asking you to share this video with anyone that you know that does Christmas villages, so that if they want any help or design ideas or anything like that, they can hop on that live stream and know that I will be doing this and offering that up for you guys. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining our YouTube family that we have here. We have a great group of people that constantly communicate, a lot of the core folks that leave comments, that leave suggestions, tips, ideas on all of my different categories of my channel. So, and if you haven't checked out the other categories in my channel, definitely check them out. I try to always give useful and helpful information to you guys that you can apply, and I try to make it as simple as I possibly can so that even a novice who doesn't have a lot of experience in some of the stuff that I do can pick it up and run with it. So that is all I have for you guys. So again, don't forget to leave me that comment if you want to do the live stream for Christmas in July. And until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.